Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office and I'm super excited. Guess what I have for you? This is the July Joyful Jordan box, so I am here to share with you what's inside. So welcome to my office. In case you're new, the Joyful Jordan box is a monthly subscription and surprise box from Jordan Essentials. You can buy it just one time. You don't have to subscribe. If you want to subscribe, you do save a little bit on shipping. So the box is $29. It's valued at $39 or more. And if you subscribe, then your shipping is free. And it's really fun because it's going to be full of all kinds of the awesome Healthy Skin, Healthy Life Jordan Essentials products. So they're made in Missouri. They're botanically based, healthy, non-toxic, all kinds of good for you things. And often the box has exclusive items that you can't get in the regular catalog. So if you're kind of new to the company and you just want to try it out, this is a fun way to sample some of the products and see what you think. So without further ado, we're going to open a little joy. These cute boxes come where you can put your label on them if you want to have them shipped out. I have a gift subscription that I send to my grandmother every month, and we have fun chatting about those. And I also have a customer who has a subscription, and she changes who it ships to each month. She just listens to her friends and family, and anyone she feels like needs a little bit of joy, then she will change that month's box to ship out to them. And so it's a way she gets to bless that person with just a little bit of TLC for the month. So without further ado, let's take a look at the July Joyful Jordan box for 2022. And of course, this is a little box of awesomeness. And this box is all about sunshine. So it says, sending you a day full of sunshine, a life filled with rainbows, and a pocket full of dreams. And that is from Nancy Bogart, the owner and founder. So each box does come with a little card like this, which will tell you a little bit about what's inside when we turn it over. And I love the cute little sunflower theme. That's awesome. So when we turn it over, it's going to tell us about what's inside the box and these 4 different products. So this is really cool. You get to try out 4 things for the month of July. So first off, we have an everyday shampoo, which we have everyday shampoo in our regular catalog, but this is a new scent. Açaí and Passionfruit shampoo is perfect for kids, men, and non-color treated hair. It leaves your hair clean and shiny. Our family uses the regular shampoo and we love it. I tend to use just the conditioner because I have naturally curly hair and I don't really need any shampoo, but my husband uses a shampoo and he loves that. So I'm excited about this new scent. Let me see if this is sealed. I think this does come sealed. I'm going to just take a peek. Oh, that's nice. It's just a little fruity, this Açaí and passion fruit scent, but it's not real over the top. Most of our scents are pretty subtle. They're just a nice balanced blend. And this is a 3-ounce bottle. So this would be great for traveling and just, running to the pool for the day. If you need to shower and rinse your hair and wash all the chlorine out when you're done, then you'd have something like this to throw in your bag. Next, we have our leave-in conditioner. So this is something from our catalog. This is the coconut lime leave-in conditioner. And it says, this leave-in conditioning spray helps hair stay hydrated and not weighed down. Use on wet hair before styling. And this is a nice kind of tropical scent. Yeah, with that lime and coconut. I feel like I smell the lime first and then a little bit of undertone with the coconut. So that's really cool. You get to try something from our regular catalog. And next we have the daily conditioner. So you'd have your shampoo conditioner set here. This is from a regular catalog, but it's in a little 3-ounce bottle, which you cannot get in the catalog. So I love that you get the little travel size. And this is our regular avocado and coconut blend on the conditioner. I love our conditioner. It's my favorite I've used on my hair for my lifetime. It's really, really good. And what I love about our conditioner is, besides the fact that it works so well on my curly hair and it doesn't weigh it down, it helps to smooth the frizz and it keeps it moisturized, but it's still very light. I love to put a pretty good dose on while I'm in the shower, and I don't rinse it out completely. I rinse with cold water and I don't rinse it out completely, and it acts as sort of a leave-in conditioner and styling product all in one that way. So if you have either wavy or textured or curly hair, you can try that with our conditioner. Let me know what you think. Then finally, we have our hair serum. And this is, again, this is something I just love. I have switched to our hair products for probably the last 10 years. And I just love how healthy my hair is now, and especially my curly hair. I feel like I finally know how to style it and how to fix it to where it works well. And our products work so good in it, and I feel like everything just kind of works together because it's all that natural, botanically based product. So the hair serum is avocado infused hair serum, and it's excellent to use on dry hair to leave a shiny, lightweight, healthy gloss to your hair. Works great on all ages and on beards too. So I do have a brother who uses sometimes our beard oil, sometimes our hair serum in his beard, and he likes that. I actually love to use this even on my wet curly hair. I feel like it works really good to kind of act as a styling agent, and then that adds the moisture and shine too. So to me, this is a really cool box. You get to try a bunch of our different hair products and try a new scent, have some small sizes ready for travel, and you can have everything you need. So if you're kind of thinking about our hair care line and you wanted to give it a try, this is a way to jump in and not have to get the full size on anything. You can see what you like. Like I mentioned, some of these, we do have a regular shampoo in the catalog in our oatmeal milk and honey scent, so you could switch to that. But this box itself is a great way to try out a collection of our hair care products for the month of July. So I will have everything linked down below in the description box. You can jump over to my website, just take a click around. I'll have the Joyful Jordan box itself linked there, and you can ask me any questions if you need to in the comments. And other than that, I hope you have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit the like button on your way out, and I'll look forward to seeing you again soon with another tiny, tidy video on Tuesday and a planning video on Sunday. Have a good one. Bye-bye.